The powerful immersion blender you described sounds like a versatile and convenient kitchen gadget. Here are some key features and benefits based on the information you provided. 1. Power. The blender has a 500-watt motor, which provides sufficient power for blending various ingredients and achieving smooth results. 2. Turbo mode. The turbo mode is designed to provide an extra boost of power when needed, allowing you to blend tougher ingredients or achieve faster results. 3. Detachable base. The detachable base makes it easier to clean the blender and allows for convenient storage. You can remove the blending wand from the base, making it more compact and space-saving. 4. Stainless steel blades. The blender is equipped with 304 stainless steel blades, which are known for their durability and resistance to corrosion. Stainless steel blades are typically sharp and efficient for blending a wide range of ingredients. 5. Versatile use. This immersion blender can be used for various tasks in the kitchen, such as blending soups, making smoothies, pureeing ingredients, and preparing baby food. Its handheld design offers flexibility and control while blending. 6. Ease of use. Immersion blenders are generally easy to operate. You can simply immerse the blending wand into the ingredients and blend directly in the pot, bowl, or container. This eliminates the need for transferring ingredients to a separate blender jar, saving time and reducing cleanup. 7. Color. The blender comes in black, which can complement various kitchen styles and aesthetics. When considering purchasing this immersion blender, it's always a good idea to read customer reviews and check the specific features and specifications provided by the manufacturer.